Ladies and gentlemen, the best weatherman on the planet says tropical cyclones steal headlines, but it's really just a modest event. Glancing below, as suggested throughout the buildup, the bigger story is the larger continental system coming together and its heavy flooding rains over the interior. And Cranky Weather Guy has warned about it several times over the last week, and I've tried to pass along that message. So at this moment, it looks like, yes, Arthur is going to hit the OBX, or at least according to Dada Boo, the Florida Wave Master's opinion, based on what he's seeing, I think a landfall of Tropical Storm Arthur on the Outer Banks of North Carolina is inevitable. To be clear, the NHC is not forecasting a landfall as of current update, but lies in the cone of uncertainty. Tropical storm warnings in effect. And so, yes, it may make a glancing landfall on the OBX, and we should pay attention to it regardless. It's like a child with a gun. Hopefully he'll fire the gun out to sea. I was trying to be a funny metaphor. If that offended anyone, I'm sorry. And I want to point out 991 would make it a hurricane. All right, but I don't think this event is going to kill anyone, and if you get killed by this, I'm going to be extremely disappointed. Most models are suggesting it's going to kiss the nipple and then head out to sea. If we are looking for danger, we will find it in the giant swirly thing that is in the center of our country and is going to bring some heavy rain to these areas. And Cyclone Amphan is dang dangerous. Explosive intensification occurs, and it is now a Category 4 equivalent Hurricane Cyclone Typhoon, and further strengthening is possible in the next several hours as it continues slowly north in the Bay of Bengal. And this is really bad because it's like a giant cove with India and Bangladesh and the Isle of Bengal. Wait, no. And so as this storm comes in, it's going to cause heavy flooding on the right side as it rotates counterclockwise, and it could generate some pretty massive storm surge, which is extremely dangerous because these are very heavily populated areas, and it could come close to making direct landfall on a city of 14 million people. And somehow Ariana Grande's super cute face makes it in this broadcast. One moment, please. Cranky saying it really is an incredible system. The parent upper low over the upper Midwest getting ready to divide and dive southward and swing the deep trough, the once Texas storm, which was nasty, up the Appalachians, processed both boots and repurposes Arthur in various ways. And remember, some places in Texas from the storm got surprise foots of rain. Single foot, but no less. If you get a foot of rain, that's going to mess your shiz up, bro. And so while King Arthur looks to be defeated down here by the atmospheric defense team, the heavy rain will continue to be a problem for areas in front of and around the storm, especially for mountain people at the foot of the mountain. What we're seeing here is a besiegement from moisture and rain from all sides. So if you are in one of the areas that is in red on this map, you need to be paying definite attention. And maybe if you're in one of the orange spots, maybe trash bag some of your more valuables. Because I think, yeah, this spot could definitely get hit super hard at the base of the Appalachians. Those are mountains, if you didn't know. And depending on how close Arthur gets, this part could definitely get North Carolina could end up getting a whole ton of rain from the big storm and then parts of Arthur. And then the West Coast is getting their own atmospheric river, which shouldn't cause any major problems. Plus, they're getting a bunch of snow. And I'm happy when the snow wieners are happy, because happiness makes the world go around. Well, at least it makes it a happier place. And here you can see where King Arthur kind of bounces off the nipple and heads out to sea. That makes me happy. Nipples make me happy. But just because I'm in a good mood, I don't want to downplay any danger that is possible. And when you have this much green on the map, that means some areas will see some heavy flooding. You're even getting some heavy green over in California. And you're getting a lot of places with heat, or what are those called? Burn bans, or, oh my God, it could get really, hey, fog down in Texas. And the high surf, definitely. There's definitely interesting atmospheric stuff happening. Ladies and gentlemen, check out the Taylor Swift City of Lover concert tonight on ABC at 9 Central Time. And all proceeds from this event will go to the child of Elon Musk and Grimes. Woot.